So eto na nga, I'm not gonna gatekeep this anymore. So this is the hostel where we stayed in Singapore. And take note, bawal siya sa maselan. This is Atlantis 531 located at Serangoon Road, Little India. Wala silang masyadong features even sa TikTok, so I think this would make a great reference. Pagpasok mo, alley ang bubungad sa'yo. Very accessible sa mga buses kasi 2 hagbag lang paglabas mo, it's already the bus station. They provide free water. This is their mini receiving area. And pag sinabi mong hostel, pang maramihan siya, fit for solo traveler na budgetarian. Pwede kang makasalamuhan ng iba't ibang tao or iba't ibang lahi. Wala siyang kaso sa amin because we were 5 adults and 1 child, so kasya kami sa isang room. And pag hostel, usually it's a dormitory type, so we had 3 bunk beds. Fit din siya for family travelers, and in fact, may nakasabay kaming mag-check-in na Pinoy fam. Let me show you the CR. So, importante talaga yung CR. So, may heater, may bidet. So, if base sa paghahanap ko ng hotel sa Singapore, bihira lang yung may bidet. So, pasalamat na lang kayo pag may bidet yung hotel or hostel nyo. They only provide beddings and towels, so you need to provide your own toiletries. We only paid 15,000 for 2 nights. So, bali 3,000 per head lang kami nun for 2 nights. So, saan ka makakakita ng 3,000 per head for 2 nights sa Singapore? So, for me, it's already pretty decent hostel if hindi ka maselan or maarte. Nagpapaiwan din sila ng mga luggages dito. So, ayun lang. I hope you check this out if you travel to Singapore with a group.